press the bell icon for all the updates.
अरे सगळे जातात पुढे तू का पुढे चाललाय माझ्या पुढचे गेले तर आगे जाओ मत रे आगे कोणी जाएगा अरे यार पुढे का चालले मैम सामने रानी मैम सामने एकदम मैम लेफ्ट में मैम लेफ्ट साइड रानी मैम सामने अरे प्रवीण कुठे आला अरे यार तो आगे अरे प्रवीण मैम सामने मैम यहाँ
The very beautiful, the very talented, the very vivacious Rani Mukherjee. Still looking like a schoolgirl though. Hi, I was just telling you that you're still looking like a schoolgirl. So
Thank God. My daughter's going to be ready to go to school soon.
yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. So we want to know everything that you remember, जितनी memories है, जितनी चीज़ें आपने उस समय स्कूल में नहीं बताई थी कि मैंने ये किया है टीचर्स के साथ में, वो आज तो अब बताना बनता है now that you are back to school.
Firstly, I'd just like to thank Principal for having us here because it always feels wonderful coming back to school. And I want to thank all my teachers who are present here today who have taken out time and have come for this. So thank you all my teachers. Of course, all the teachers today. I wouldn't be knowing everybody's name, but all my ex-teachers, Mrs. Mishra, Mrs. Dadarkar, Mrs. Kadam, Mrs. D'Souza, Sir Ganatra, all of you, Mrs. Setu, Mrs. Vakil, Mrs. Bhatia, all of you all, I feel so happy to see you all here today. It's a very special film of mine where I'm playing a teacher. So I thought there could be no better place than my school, Manikji Cooper, to launch this song. I just hope that you all see Hichki and tell me how I have played y'all. All my experiences that I've had in school, the way you all have taught me, I think I've probably taken few anecdotes from all of you all. And I've tried to play a good teacher. I don't know how successful I'll be. You all will tell me when you all see the film. But I'm just so happy to come to Manikji. And what also makes me happy is I've come with all my friends, Saud, Priya, Ayaz. They've all studied with me right from nursery. And they're still my friends. So I'm really happy to have them here today. This used to be our nursery. So all the memories are coming back. The place where I was right now, that was my first standard class. And of course, Mrs. Dadakar, who was my class teacher in the 3rd standard, which is next to the banyan tree where we used to hang. So all the memories are coming back and I feel so happy. And more than anything, I think Hichki is a film which talks about turning your disadvantage into your strength and making them your opportunities. That's something that my teachers in my school in Manikji Cooper have taught me, to take your disadvantage and turning them into your strength. Of course, from Mrs. Dadakar, I've learned a lot because she was a history teacher, my English literature teacher. So the way I talk, a lot of it comes from Mrs. Dadakar, absolutely. And just the fact that this film talks about so many positive aspects of life makes this film really truly special. And I'm really proud to present this film in front of my teachers here today, who I truly respect the most in my life. So thank you so much for being here, Miss and Sir and all of you all. And of course, Sir Ganatra, what can I say about you? I still remember the way you used to come into class and say, open the windows and let the climate come in. I can never forget that, sir. And you taught us biology so amazingly. And of course, Mrs. Setu, the way you taught us physics. And of course, Mrs. Bhatia, you taught us Hindi, so it's amazing. Mrs. Mishra, maths and physics, always my weak spot. And I've come to your house right here for tuitions as well. So it's just so amazing to see all of you all. And Mrs. Kadam, chemistry. Oh my God. And Mrs. D'Souza, of course, taught us English. So I'm just feeling so happy being here today. Just feel so nostalgic just to have all of you all here. And of course, Priya, Saud and Ayaz, I would like you all to come later on stage. So just prepare yourselves, right? They were telling me, we're not going to come on stage and say anything. But I would like to call all my teachers on stage now. Please, Mrs. Grewal, Mrs. Mishra, all of you all, please come on stage because the whole media needs to see all of you all. So please come. Please, please. You can leave your bags. Come, Miss, come. Mrs. Dadakar, come. Sir Ganatra, Mrs. D'Souza, Mrs. Kadam, please come. Mrs. Bhatia. Mrs. Dadakar, we'd like you to come and say something, please. Yes, you have to. Come on. Learned everything from you. Please come. Ms. Dadakar, come. Please come.
Good evening to Mrs. Randevia, all the teachers here, my dear students. You all are not my students, but I do consider you all as my students even till today, because Manikji Cooper may have been an alma mater for Rani, but I have started my career from here as a college student teaching the 9th and 10th. So it's so wonderful to come back here and be with you all. About Rani, what can I say? There's so much to say, and I don't think I could be able to put it even in a nutshell, the kind of person that this girl is. What I know and what I remember about her, that humility that I was talking about, and the most important things, my dear students, is the love and respect she has, not only for her teachers, but also for her family, her friends, her brother Raja. Raja has to be there first for everything, right? And what else can I say? Yes, Rani, one day, there's one thing I'm going to tell them about you, which which they would like to know. Rani, I used to always ask her, because she was with me right from the 3rd standard till standard 10th. So I said, Rani, after you finish, what would you want to be? She would always tell me, ma'am, I'm never going to be an actress. I want to be a teacher like you, and I'm going to be a teacher like you. And there she is today, a teacher like me. Rani, wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.
Sir Ganatra, I'd like you to come, please. Just spend so much time with you learning biology. And once I want to have that, open the windows and let the climate come in, please. Once, for old time's sake.
this is not a classroom. And if I ask them to open the windows, the AC effect will go. So I better not ask that sentence. But when I used to come in the class, there used to be so much commotion in the class. Chow, 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 chow. I said, please open the windows, let the wind come and the commotion go out. Like that. Anyway, that was fun. School days are school days, and Manaji Cooper is Manaji Cooper. No one can beat. No one can beat, no doubt. Everyone knows about Rani. I better not talk because then I don't have that much time to talk about her first. But one thing I will definitely tell. I don't remember which standard she was, maybe 6th or 7th. And we used to have skits in the class. So in one of the skits, I was director and she was acting. And in the class, in the hall, we presented our show. I did not get any prize as director, but she got prize as supporting actress. So I take the credit of her beginning.
Yes.
All the best.
Thank you, sir. Mrs. Mishra, please, please come, please. Spend so much time with you in school and outside school. No, you can. Is it difficult for you to come up? Aram se. Such a lovely sari you're wearing. How are your children?
They are okay, they remember you. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. I have become nostalgic after meeting Rani for so many years. But I'm grateful to her. She remembers each and every teacher, and she remembers me, and she never forgets. Rani is a very, very sensitive, very affectionate girl. And I have found that she is so much concerned for each and everything. Just now, she asked me, how are your children? How are your daughters? So that shows the sensitiveness and concern. And I wish Rani all the best. May God bless her.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss.
God bless.
And Saud and Priya and Ayaz, come. Come on. All my friends who have been with me from nursery in Manikji Cooper, we've sat in the same class, same bench. That's Saud and that's Priya. Come. And Ayaz. So you'll have anything to say, Ayaz, I think?
See, I think Rani wants to talk actually. Priya? No, I just want to say I'm thankful to Rani that we got this chance to come back. Otherwise, I don't think they would allow me in the school. But whatever we are, people say it's because of our parents. Partly true, but because of the teachers we've had, and we've had the most fabulous teachers, all of you. Our principal, Mrs. Katki, I mean, I don't think any other school had this kind of bond that we could just treat them like family. And I remember I used to come to the school beforehand and Mrs. Katki used to be there, just enter her office, knock and just sit, hi Mrs. Katki, how are you? You know? No, but it's just the memories we've created with all of you. We are who we are thanks to all the teachers that we've had in our life, and thank you so much for making us who we are, and we never forget that, and thank you, and I'm just blessed to be back here. MCET, woohoo! Oh wow, perfect for me also. I'll use it every day for all my shoots. I mean, I think. Yeah, and Rani is here. I mean, she wanted to do this here because, I mean, she loves the school as much as anybody, and it's a wonderful story. I've seen the teasers, and all of you are going to love the film, and it's just fabulous that Rani is doing something like this, such a topic, and we love her. Yeah. I mean, sometimes, or maybe most of the times. All right, thank you.
Saud, say something. Anything.
Sing a song.
No, nothing. This is going to be
for all the students who are there currently, this is the best time of your life. Enjoy this. Look at where you are, because we miss all of this. You won't remember college as much as you guys are going to remember school. Your investiture ceremony, your assemblies, and standing outside the principal office with your report card, part of the game. And most give a lot of respect to all your lab teachers as well, because they're the most understated ones, but they help you a lot. So, and all your other teachers, your peons, everybody. So just have a great time, enjoy, and, you know, MCT, that's it. It rocks.
Rocks. Yeah. Come on, don't be shy. Don't show me your eyes. Come on.
Free, yeah, free. Yeah.
She's whole day showing me the eyes. Yeah. South. Say something, na? Anything. Just forget the cameras are there. Forget the cameras are there.
My
Just
views,
say.
if I start, no, we did a lot of masti. I was the only girl probably always outside class. We sat together, I think, from lower KG, C division to 10C.
Yeah.
And
We were together in the same class,
same bench, and we're still together, all of us.
Yeah.
And it's just great being back here. Just great being back.
Yeah. Now, also, I would just like to say one more thing. I don't think there is any nobler profession than being a teacher. So I salute all the teachers for being in this profession, because what you all impart to us is something which we cannot even, I would say, measure, or like you cannot even, like we can't even begin to thank you for what you all do for us, you know. And you all must know that we remember you all forever. It could be you all have taught us just for 1 year or 2 years, but just the memories that we have always stay with us forever. So thank you for being teachers. Thank you for being our teachers. And thank you, school, for just giving us everything that we've always learned. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.